Hi crafters, Amy here, and I have a little mini haul to share with you. I guess I shouldn't say mini. If you look at the thickness and the girth of this package, you'll see it's not so mini. But it is from Doodles Paper Playground. Sadly, Amber at the shop has recently announced that she is going to be closing up her shop. She has to put her family first and her sweet little boy, and I wish her and her family the absolute best. But she announced this stellar deal right now. Everything in the shop is 70% off. So in an attempt to help her clear out her stock, I jumped over and placed an order right away. So I don't know what one of these products or if any of them are still available. I did check today and there are still quite a few blends in the shop. But I would love, if you are interested in this, to help collectively clear her out for this holiday season. That would be amazing. But I will link her shop below and I will list all of the blends that I have, and you can check and see if those specific ones are available, if that's something you want, or just look at what she has left. But again, everything, no exception, is 70% off in the shop. So if you're interested in these and want to help, close up a shop for a small woman-owned business, then I recommend checking them out. But I will just show you what I got in the meantime. And I'm just going to dump all this out and you can see this craziness. Look, she gives you a little sucker and a sweet little note. But, oh my gosh, look at this, guys. I went a little bit crazy. So I'm going to shove this aside and try and show you individually what I got. I did double up on quite a few of them just because I knew I wasn't going to be able to get them again. So some of them I have several packages, and some of them I already have that blend and I wanted to add to my stock. So she sent me this one. First of all, this is a little extra. Thank you. This is To the Moon and Thanks for 5 years. How sweet is that? So this must be a special blend that she put together to say goodbye. So sweet. Looks like really pretty fall colors. Oh, and this one has rockets. How cute is that? So again, these were extras. Thanks for 5 years and To the Moon. So I don't think you can order these. I think if she has these, she'll probably maybe throw them in your order. Okay, I got another one of these sparkle sticks. So like I said, they were like 70% off. So these are, if you see me using jewel pickers, well, here, I have this one from her. But I like the white tip personally. I think those were out, so I just grabbed a green one. But again, they were so stinking cheap. I just got another one. I can just give it to somebody else or something. Okay, let me try and organize this. I know I got a couple of these. This one is called Ice Cream Social. Oh my goodness, it's a bit of a mess over here. Ice Cream Social. This one is so cute. I got all these little dishes here that I got from her, but this has little ice cream treats in it. So cute. And I'm going to move kind of quickly here because I have a lot and I don't want to keep you here all day. I want to let you go so you can go shop for some if you want. Okay, so I know I got a couple of those. Now these I got a ton of. I don't know if these are still in the shop. I think the small size only ones are. These are called Assorted Square Mosaic Rhinestones. And these are really cool. Look, they're all different colors. And they're like these pretty multi-faceted gems. Really pretty. So I stocked up on these. Okay. So I got several packages of those. So I can set those aside. Shoot for the Stars. This is different than, sorry to bump the camera. To the Moon, different. Okay, so Shoot for the Stars. Now, if you don't know, obviously, these are really good for shaker cards, But they're obviously just great for regular embellishments on the front of your card too. Like, for example, these, I'm thinking more like embellishments for the front of the card. So just so you know, that's what you can do with these. But honestly, you could use these probably for, I don't know, maybe for nail art too, if that's your thing. I don't know. Okay, look. Oh, there's more little rockets. Do you see this little clay rocket? And there's little moons, stars, all that. Okay, so that one is Shoot for the Stars. Okay, I'm already at 5 minutes. I'm trying not to take up all your time here. Let's see what else I got. Okay, Pirate Treasure. Got a couple of those. Cookies for Santa. I know I got a couple of those. Oh, Hollo. This was one of my favorites. I actually have one of these already in my stash, but this one is so cool. Look at this. All these cool holographic. I know, it's totally 90s to me. I love it. Don't want to lose those little stars. Get in there. Okay, so that's Hollo. Pirate Treasure. I'll show you this one minute. Super cute little skulls. Look at that. That's so cute. So you got any pirate lovers? But I just like the black and white and the colors in here. There's some golds and reds. Oh, look, there's little gems. So cute. So she would make all these blends herself. Very creative. Okay, Milk and Cookies for Santa. Like I said, I know I got a couple of these, but I just have a big old huge pile over here. Oh, look at this. Look at these little Santas. Some big Santas. Little Santas, cookies. Okay. So lots of like soft brown colors, reds, whites. More on the food theme, toasted s'mores. Guessing this, oh, look at these little marshmallows. Are you kidding me right now? Look at this. So cute. They're almost like kawaii. I don't know if these would be kawaii. They almost look like kawaii. It's like an art style that my daughter's really into. So that's why I know the name of that. Okay, Dino-Mite. I know I got, I think 4 of these. Just thinking for, oh, there's my other cookies for Santa. Dino-Mite. Super cute. My daughter loves dinos. Her buddy loves dinos. Look at that. Those are fun. Can you see that? It's like a domed sequin. But there's all these little, well, first of all, bright, pretty colors. Oh, look, here's an egg. So there's all little clay eggs. And then there's all these little foil-looking dinosaurs. So how cute would that be in a shaker? Maybe with like some dinosaur stamps as the focal point. Then have this. Woo! I almost stumped it. Goodness. Okay. Dino-Mite. Alright. Baby Shark. Another one I got at least a few of. Again, yet another thing my daughter loves is sharks. So you can see where I'm going with this. I don't know how many shakers that girl needs, but these colors though, seriously. Like even if you didn't use the little sharks in them. Oh, there's the little sharks. Kind of hidden a little bit, but these colors are just gorgeous. So you could take the little shark pieces out and use them for any, I don't know, ocean themed, water, any sort of shaker like that. Look at these gorgeous colors. Okay, so that's Baby Shark. Oh, this one I stocked up on just because I really like black, and I find I don't have a lot of black. This is Ring in the Year. So I got 4 of these. Look at this. This is a little hard to see because it's black, but oh my gosh, there's little bells in it. I didn't even know that. Oh, are you kidding me? And they even, when I'm done throwing them around my desk, look, they even make a sound. How cool is that? Okay, so I didn't even know those were in there. I was just mesmerized by the pretty gold and the black. I wonder if Amy Rysavvy has seen these with her love of all things black and gold. But she'd like that blend. Oh my gosh. I can't believe there's bells in there. That's too cute. Okay. Get Schooled. Let me see here. Where's the other Dino-Mite? Right, Toasted S'mores, Ice Cream Social. Okay. Get Schooled. Look at this. Oh, there's a little chalkboard. I don't know if you can see this. This little tiny chalkboard with the ABC on it. It's got a bunch of letters with clay pieces and obviously bright primary, secondary colors. Perfect for school. So this would be great for teachers. And if you guys can think of other ways to use these other than, you know, shakers or whatever, please leave it in the comments, because as you can see, I'm gonna have shakers for days here, but I need other ideas on how to use this stuff. Okay, what's your sign? So this is fun. This is like a play on zodiac signs, so it's got all the little pieces for the different like original zodiac symbols. Like that's probably, I don't know if you can see that. Maybe Aquarius or something. Looks like water. But I love the colors in this. Purples and blues and pinks. There's stars. It's really cute. And again, if the theme is not your jam, then just pull out the little clay pieces and then just use the colors that you want. Or just use the colors as embellishment on the front of your card. That's what I do. Okay, this one you may have seen me use on a prior shaker, but I wanted to get more because this color combination is just so dreamy. It's called Be Mine. So it's technically like Valentine's Day, like there's little conversation hearts, but I didn't do it as Valentine's Day. I took the conversation hearts out and then just used these beautiful colors. Look at this. This has got to be my favorite color combination here. It is just unreal. This peachy, corally orange and purple and blue, just stunning. And there's all these little, I don't know, random bits in there. I don't know what you call them, but lots of goodies. So it's just really fun to just look through and see what's in it, which is fun for the recipient of a shaker card too. And I think that might be it. Like I said, I just got a bunch more of these rhinestones. I was not playing around with those. So that is my massive haul of Doodles Paper Playground. Again, I will link the shop below. That's clear her out, guys. That's just help her sell all her remaining stock. That would be absolutely amazing if you're able. And I know that sweetheart Amber, with the last batch of orders that went through, I know she went and took money that she earned and sponsored several different single moms for Christmas. So such a dear heart, and I wish her the absolute best and her sweet family. And thank you so much for spending time with me today and looking at all my sparkly goodies. So thank you so much, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.